Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. This bypasses extra menus. Tap the Accessibility menu or Assistive Touch entry to enable it. Choose how you want to activate it, a physical button, double press, or gesture, because that determines speed and accidental triggers. Once done, confirm the floating button appears on screen. If you prefer less visual clutter, pick a hardware shortcut. Otherwise, choose gesture for one-handed control. This sets the foundation for customizing actions next. Now customize the menu so it matches how you use your phone. Open the Assistive Touch settings and tap Menu or Customize to add actions like Home, Back, Screenshot, or Custom Gestures. Drag to reorder icons. Put your most used actions in the first ring to save taps. Make sure to adjust size and opacity so the control is visible but unobtrusive. Once configured, test each action to verify it performs the intended command. If something feels slow, reduce nested menus for quicker access. Finish by testing the assistive control across apps, Home, Back, Volume, Screenshot, and any custom gestures. If an action misfires, refine the gesture timing or replace the action with a simpler command. Make sure background battery optimizations aren't restricting the service. Disable those for steady behavior. If the floating button disappears or becomes unresponsive, restart the phone first, then re-enable the feature. As a last resort, reset the accessibility settings. This troubleshooting step solves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.